Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Monterey local and long distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the stress out of your move, our expert movers make your long distance move less complicated. Hiring our crew to assist you means your cross country relocation is going to go effortlessly. Relocating isn't simple. However, using the right moving services can definitely make things so much easier. Hiring us guarantees you receive access to all the standard long distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be very easy to justify the price of choosing a California moving company. A local moving company provides many benefits which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you gain may make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. It will also prevent you from needing to deal with heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive specialists ready to make your local move very easy. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient move. Even if your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Monterey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.